Be honest, how many hours a day do you sit at your desk, hunched over your phone or laptop? If you're like most people, it's at least 6 to 8 hours. And over time, that bad posture can cause back pain, neck stiffness, even long-term spinal problems. But what if a tiny gadget could literally train you to sit straighter, without nagging from friends or endless stretching reminders? That's where Smart Posture Correctors come in. Today, we'll break down how these devices work, the science behind them, real-world examples, and whether they're worth your money. By the end, you'll know if a Smart Posture Corrector is the desk buddy you never knew you needed. Most posture correctors are small, lightweight gadgets that either clip onto your shirt or stick to your upper back with a reusable adhesive. The technology is pretty simple but effective. Inside, there's a motion sensor called an accelerometer. It detects the angle of your spine relative to your shoulders. The moment you slouch past a certain point, say, leaning forward too much, it sends a gentle vibration to remind you to straighten up. It's like having a mini coach on your back, but one that doesn't yell at you. Some advanced models even connect to a smartphone app, where you can track your posture trends over days and weeks. Benefits. So what's the big deal? Well, posture doesn't just affect your back, it impacts your entire body. Better posture improves lung capacity, meaning you actually breathe better. It reduces tension headaches caused by strained neck muscles. And for students or office workers, it can even improve focus because your body isn't fighting discomfort all day. I found one study where participants used posture trackers for 3 weeks, and nearly 80% reported reduced back pain. That's a pretty big win for something smaller than a keychain. Examples in comparison. There are several popular brands in this space, like Upright Go, Lumo Lift, and newer budget-friendly models from Amazon. The pricier ones usually come with better apps and coaching features, while the cheaper ones keep it simple with just vibrations. Here's a quick example. The Upright Go 2 lets you set daily posture goals. Say you want to practice sitting straight for 30 minutes a day. The app will track your progress and even give you little streak rewards. Kind of like a fitness tracker, but for your spine. On the flip side, if you just want occasional reminders without all the app features, a $30 clip-on model might do the trick. Of course, no gadget is perfect. Adhesive models sometimes lose their stickiness over time. And if you're overly sensitive, the buzzing might get a little annoying at first. Plus, posture correctors aren't magic. You still need to strengthen your core and stretch your muscles for lasting results. Think of it as a tool, not a permanent fix. So, are smart posture correctors worth it? If you spend long hours at a desk, I'd say yes. They're affordable, discreet, and could save you from years of back pain. But I'm curious, would you actually wear one of these daily? Or do you think it's just another tech gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech deep dives that make your life easier.